So... Bet you can't climb that tree.
See?
Where'd you learn to do that?
On my fire escape.
Hiya, I'm Patch.
I'm Lily. Do you live around here?
Yes, my mom and dad run the stables.
Morning, Patch.
Good morning, Mr. Stone. I'm riding into Shining Time. Could Lily come with me if she'd like to?
I'd like to.
Sure. She can go. Be back by sunset, Lily.
Do you want to come too?
I never go there now.
Bye, Grandpa.
So, have you ever ridden a horse before?
No.
I've always wanted to go this way. We're following some shadowy lines I've seen on a map. They're like railroad tracks without any rails.
Well, lady, what are we to do? It all seemed so much easier when Tasha and I were children.